The Withings blood pressure monitor is a revolutionary new solution for keeping track of your blood pressure. Connected to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, it measures, assesses, and tracks your blood pressure in one simple step. It slips on easily and adjusts itself to arms of all sizes. Connect it to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Measure your systolic and diastolic pressures as well as your heart rate. Your results are displayed immediately. The app uses the same terms that your doctor uses. You'll also find advice and answers written in plain English. Each measurement is automatically saved. Track your progress over time in the blink of an eye. Everyone in the family can monitor his or her blood pressure. Send your test results directly to your doctor. This way, your doctor has easy access to precise, accurate data, leading to more effective care. Keep track of your progress automatically by using Microsoft Health Vault, IBP, or one of many other services. The blood pressure monitor can be linked to the Withings Body Scale for the Complete Health Checkup 2.0. Easily keep tabs on your health day in and day out with Withings.
This is the Insta360 PRO 2, the ultimate tool for professional VR filmmaking. Ready for 8K per eye 3D at 30 FPS. 60 and 120 frame per second modes keep action smooth. New in-camera HDR means that lighting stays natural, even when conditions vary in every direction. New flow state stabilization revolutionizes VR filmmaking. Gimbal quality stabilization. No gear and no post-production hassle.
The Insta360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
The Pro 2 is the next iteration of our popular professional camera series, and it's basically got a lot of features that our users have been asking for, we delivered on. And it's important for us to take the feedback and really give them a solution that's going to be easy to use both on the capture side and on the post side. Our biggest challenge until this point has been, how do we create a super smooth and seamless workflow that will make users happy and they don't have to pull their hair out and waste time with the stitching and the post-processing. So we really have to find that delicate balance between adding new features and still making it a simple process. We've upgraded the sensors and we've upgraded the internal motherboard to allow for 8K stereo capture. And we've also upped a lot of the other resolutions where you're able to now record higher resolution at higher frame rates, making it more in line with what the expectations would be from a traditional filmmaking standpoint. The defining feature of the camera now is the dual antennas that pop up from the top. And those are to enhance the GPS and the Wi-Fi. And you'll see that you can now record to 6 micro SD cards. The reason we shifted to the 6 micro SD card option is to allow up to 120 megabits per second on each card, so the bit rate is much higher than recording just onto one SD card. Now it has the ability to stabilize in camera. So we've upgraded the gyroscope from a 6-axis to a 9-axis stabilized gyro. And we've also rethought and redone our algorithm on the digital stabilization side. So it's now going from just catering to a strictly VR audience to also traditional filmmakers who just want to enhance their tool belt a bit. We'll be pairing the Pro 2 with our Farsight system, and it's the first ever long-range wireless transmitter built specifically for a 360 camera. Ultimately, the Farsight will be available on its own, but together Both systems are around $5,000.